issued a flash flood warning for Decatur County in southwestern Georgia until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 5 inches of rain have fallen in the last 2 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bainbridge and Climax. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Decatur, Georgia. You are listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH-24 in Tallahassee, Florida, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This broadcast originates from your National Weather Service office in Tallahassee, Florida. The latest weather and forecast information can also be accessed by calling our automated forecast line.
So I didn't hear my eating at 10 WH? It should have went off. A flash flood warning is an emergency event. I don't know why it didn't go off. It's on display. Its safety features should have activated.